It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. You know.
Oh, it's a setup, it's a setup, it's a setup. There's an oh, it's a setup, it's a setup, it's a setup. There's an oh, it's a setup, it's a setup, it's a setup. There's an oh, it's a setup, it's a setup, it's a setup. There's an oh, it's a setup, it's a setup, it's a setup. Oh, it's a setup, it's a setup, it's a setup. Oh, it's a setup, it's a setup, it's a setup.
This DVD player versus VHS versus human.
Right, back up. See how much you got. See the front. See if you broke any. Oh wait, let me zoom out. Oh, we got a good dent right there.
Watch it. Pause it real quick. Come to my house.
Hey guys, welcome back to another daily vlog. Well, we are going to be destroying that tape player. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, we got this thing on zoom so far away. Oh, he's going to pop it on that curve. Dang. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. Come on! He's coming back. Oh, man. You gotta do the intro again. How that we stop the video?
Oh.
I got it in the camera.
No, not yet. Take care of it.
Hey guys, it's not quite destroyed. Why don't you let me have a try? Hey Zane, why don't you let me have a cut at it? Come on, Zane. Let me have some fun. Stop. Okay, so this thing is not completely destroyed. That screen is not even cracked. I want to.
No. Bring it to me.
No, I want to try.
To begin with.
That's not yours to begin with.
Can I try? Can I have a crack at it?
Yeah, it was.
Can I have a crack at it?
This. Anyone, one of y'all want to move the bike over there?
Move my bike too. Dang. Now let me have a try at it. Here, take the camera.
No.
No. Record him. You dragged it on the bike.
Oh,
Yeah, come on.
You just throw it down one time.
Well, I guess I'll throw it.
Record that.
Y'all just broke my DVD.
We just broke this old guy's DVD player.
$20.
Oh! I just smacked that thing to pieces.
Huh?
Here, watch this guy. Oh! Those pieces just went flying.
Take that, because that's what's going to get destroyed. Show it. Guys, this is going to get destroyed later on in another video.
Wait, it's blurry. We're gonna destroy that now.
No, we're not going to use that glass.
Oh, okay. Well, look at all this rubbish.
Get it over here, get it over here.
Broke it.
We're showing the front side now. So here's the VHS side, and here's the DVD, which has been destroyed. But
Here, let's have one more cut at it.
no,
Let go.
No, let go. I don't want to cut your hand. Let go. I don't want to cut your hand.
I
This
won't.
does have sharp pieces in it. I don't want to cut your hand. Please let go.
I won't.
Okay, ready? I got this.
No. He's ruining your lives, guys. Just saying. No, I'm joking. Oh, not quite. Man, let me try. It's my turn. Take the camera. Take it.
Videotape this one more time. Videotape it. I don't want to hit my leg.
My turn. Take it.
Man, wait. Here. Make sure the charger port's on this side.
Are you getting this?
Yes, we're getting it. There, we got it. Try
Look
not
at all
to hit
that.
it. Okay, now
Damn.
he wants to see it.
That thing's tough.
Take the camera. Make sure the charger port's facing that way or that way. Okay, Keaton, if you're facing this way, charger port faces that way. If you're facing that way, charger port faces that way. Pause it real quick. Just pause it. It's too live.
This one's broke my DVD plug. They owe me a new one, $50 right now.
Wait, I already gave you 20, so am I good?
Nope.
No.
Make it another 30.
Oh, well, you guys see it here. This
No, ready? Guess what? Ready?
This is a Red Bull.
He actually gave us.
This guy's drunk. Yeah.
I found it over there around the corner on the street.
Huh?
I don't know. Well, here. You hold it up and I'll karate kick it. I think he can, wait, should I do it? Should I start it?
Try to break the screws on the side.
Oh, look at this thing that just fell out. Oh, we got a greasy gear. Right here, guys. Oh my god. This looks so retro.
Gone insane! 2 minutes drops. Stop it. Ready? Gone insane. Do it again.
Yeah.
Okay, bring it over here.
We got a broken board. You think we could use that? I don't know.
Nope. But here's the VHS system part that we're going to try to break out with a hammer.
Oh, by the way, guys.
What?
Nothing.
There's something else that we can try to get out. Hang on.
These things are tough, guys. You should buy these. I think you can get them at Walmart.
Here it is.
Oh, damn. That looks like a nice piece right there.
This will be on a giveaway. All these pieces will be on a giveaway if you want them.
Wow.
Don't forget that we still have the bag that we still need to give away.
The what?
We have a destroying bag that if you guys are just now
yeah.
watching, that we take any piece that we destroy from anything and we gather it all up. We gather it. Get all those
I don't
pieces.
know. Are we gonna like get like some dynamite? I know a good place where we can get some live dynamite.
Dude, just go there and videotape all the getting all the pieces.
Yeah, well, I know where we can get some live dynamite if we need
Dude,
it.
just videotape getting the pieces over there. We need to get those pieces.
Okay.
Film all the time.
We got this oily thing even. Got that. We got this thing. Got that.
Dude, look at the back of them, dude. They just threw a little bit in the back. Videotape the back of it.
See what's in here again. You haven't checked that out. Damn. Yeah, this thing. Good.
Stop, dude. You cook up my hand.
Okay.
In the back,
Sorry.
we are.
We have not destroyed anything.
Oh, that's just from the front. Okay.
Oh,
This
shit.
is just from
Well,
the front.
actually, we have. Look, we destroyed some levers right here.
Yeah, some levers.
I love levers.
Levers.
Wait, I have a question. Is it levers or levers? Because it's spelled levers, but I think it's levers.
Forget it. We are destroying this to the max on this video.
You know, I can still get that live dynamite. Hey, let's drop the phone in there and see them getting a close view. Oh, look at all this.
We got some scrap metal here.
Oh, it's kind of I can use that.
No.
Hey, I need that. What is this?
All this stuff in here
Oh,
goes to me.
Scrunchy.
Yeah, it's just here.
This one's a little.
We have
Look
some
at this,
scraps.
guys. Can you do it? They put explosives in
We got
here.
some straps in here too.
They put explosives in here.
All right, guys.
Dang.
You guys, you should smell this, dude. Smell it.
It smells good. Look at all these scratches on the back. Look at that. Yeah, well, here. My turn. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Get all those pieces right there.
Whew. Got a lot of them. Oh, we got a nail. Or a screw thing. Oh. Hey,
Show
whoa.
them this. Show them that.
My turn. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's another piece of an explosive.
Yep.
Oh, look at it. Luxon G. Luxon. Dude, this thing got enough firepower to destroy like a...
Hello.
This thing got enough firepower to destroy like an elephant.
Hey, would you like to say something about this DVD player not getting destroyed on YouTube?
That's alright. Thanks.
Alright.
Oh, that was this bit.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Watch, I'm going to throw this at him. It didn't do it.
Back.
He said stay back, but I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hey, look, it's Katy Perry.
No, dude, videotape me.
Dude, we need some music in here.
I will. I'll put music on. Dude, I edited it, dude. I edited it with music in it, so don't worry.
Shit! Well, let's show it. There's a giant dent now. And let's show it. Come on.
You never mess with the born prankster.
Ooh, wow. Look at this, guys.
Let me show
Look
you
at that
three
piece.
more. I'm
No,
gonna destroy
right?
more.
No, because this is a beautiful piece we could use.
Now stop.
Who cares? This guy sucks. Sorry, guys.
Get that piece and put it in the spot.
I think I might like this. Ew, it's all greasy. It's all greasy. Hey guys, you want to see something savage? See something. Run! That's a piece.
Dude, I swear to God, if you would have took my phone, dude, my mom would have came over to your house and would have gotten it.
I was gonna take it from him, but still.
I say, if you would have, my mom would have came got it.
I was gonna take the piece because I like this piece. Oh, we got some scrap metal. I never showed this. Dang!
This is what's more.
Woo!
Guys, these are motors that you guys want to
Those are
put in
explosives.
stuff
Nope,
so
those
you
are
can
explosives.
build stuff.
Just telling you guys, those things are also explosive. Lots of things in these are just explosive. I mean, look at that.
We even
What
got a
is
little
that
motor
piece?
in here that spins the VHS back into place.
We're at 11 and 14. We're at 11 minutes and 14 seconds.
How do you, what do you have to say for a DVD player getting destroyed? Huh?
Well,
Now
it was
let's
a
get money. Now we need to get money for it.
yeah. Come on.
So you destroyed enough. You have to destroy the metal.
Hey, I
What about
thought.
this? That's now showing this. Guys, you guys buy a DVD player? Don't do this at home to your mom and dad's DVD player, please. We're doing this so you don't have to do this at home.
And yes, guys, you might recognize my voice, and it is me again, Mini Miner. Please subscribe to my channel and Zane's channel. Zane needs it more, so please subscribe to his. But if you guys want, you can subscribe to mine. I haven't been uploading lately, but I think I might send this video to my phone. And you know,
No.
hey, whoa.
Yes, you're helping out, but you're not getting the video.
So.
For return back, I'm going to help him out with his recording of his DVD player.
Shush! Not a DVD player. Don't tell him. Covering it. Whoa, we just missed something. Hey, that's still not destroyed enough.
That was the end of today's destruction. If you guys want to see more, please subscribe. Turn on the post notifications to see what is inside this DVD player. One last destruction.